Wes LiCalzi is no stranger to the Utah Tech University campus. It was just 2 years ago that LiCalzi was sworn in as corporal for the campus police department. Now, LiCalzi will take over as Utah Tech's new interim police chief. LiCalzi was sworn in once again to this higher level.
I worked here as an officer since 2020, and then I left to go to other things. So to get the opportunity to come back is just awesome. I feel like I'm definitely a part of this school. I went to school here. I also worked at the radio station. I worked at the bookstore. I did the events with the CEC. So it was pretty awesome. I feel like what I've become is very much a product of this university, and so it's awesome to be able to come back as part of my career and represent it.
LiCalzi is currently overseeing 9 full-time police officers at Utah Tech and 5 part-time or reserves. The department also oversees attendance of parking enforcement on campus. LiCalzi would also like to see his department grow with the growth of university students.
Obviously, we want the ratio with staff and students and officers to be a good ratio that we can find the best ways to serve them and serve them quickly and serve them right.
As Director of Public Safety, his long-term goals are to continue opening up trust and dialogue to secure campus communications.
Mainly what I want to improve is communication so that we can make sure that the people that need our help for any reason can contact us immediately and right away. One of my ideas is to implement kind of a texting way to contact us. I know it's a texting culture, and I know that people prefer to text. Sometimes they're in a position where you can't speak on the phone, but you still need help. And that texting, I think, would do wonders as far as getting the officer who's on duty immediately and them being able to help you out. So.
He says he's also looking forward to continue working with the City of St. George Police Department.
When we need help, or if they need help, we help them, and then their administration is great to work with.
LiCalzi has all the requirements and certifications necessary to become the permanent chief at Utah Tech, which he plans to pursue. That decision will be made at a later date.
I tell people my superpower in this is that I truly care.
He replaces former University Police Chief Ron Bridge, who took his retirement last month. From Utah Tech University, Melissa Anderson, Community Education News.